I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing recovery media and verifying hardware specifics. Identify the exact motherboard model, current BIOS version, and chip type so you don't flash the wrong image. Once identified, format a 4GB or larger USB to FAT32 and copy the proper recovery files. Check the checksum to avoid corruption. Make sure the system has stable power. Plug into AC and use a UPS if available. And on laptops, remove the battery if the design allows, because an interruption can brick the board. Now you enter the board's recovery mode and perform the flash. Follow the vendor method: a key combo, a jumper, or a designated USB slot. Exact steps depend on the model, so use the correct method. If available, use the vendor flasher tool. Otherwise, use an external SPI programmer and clip. Copy the exact recovery file name and verified signature to the root of the USB. Once flashing begins, watch LEDs, percent indicators, or the serial console, and do not interrupt the process until it completes. Finish by clearing CMOS and booting to confirm functionality, then reapply only essential BIOS settings. If the system still fails, use an SPI hardware programmer to reflash the original dump or perform a hot flash procedure with a working donor board. These are the only reliable recovery options when the update went wrong. Make sure you preserve the original BIOS dump. It's the single most useful asset for restoration or for programming a replacement chip. If one method fails, switch to the hardware flasher immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.